Hey, baby.
Hey, what?
What's going on?
Oh, well, we're here in Mexico and we're packing up to leave to go to Croatia. But we're also going to stop into Montenegro and Bosnia. Yeah, it should be a fun trip. We've never been before, so this is our first time, and the kids, of course, are coming too. So we've been having really good weather here in Mexico, so I heard it's like 85 plus degrees there, so I'm actually kind of a little hesitant because we have such great weather here in Mexico.
Which the nice thing is that we can pack real light. So, got some stuff here. Got some electronics in here. Got the drone, my Fujifilm camera, little mic. You'll be seeing the products of that. Gonna put some stuff in here. Got a little case here for cables and chargers. Put some medicine in there. Got my stuff for the plane there. Check this out. Let me show you what else we've got here. So I'm packing light. We don't have, kids, you excited to go?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. So, working on a puzzle here. This one's going to be a great one. Ross and I, we do our puzzles. This is a 1,500 piece. Okay, let me show you real quick. So, this is what I'm taking for the trip. Got my little Masai blanket in here, some shorts, some sandals, some Olokai sandals. They're the best flip-flops I've ever had in my life. This is my second pair, and last one was like 3 or 4 years I had them. So just taking 3 shirts. I'm wearing one. I have 2 shirts here, a couple pair of shorts, a couple pair of swim trunks, and I'm wearing a pair of shorts. And let's see what else. That's about all I'm taking for the whole trip. Should be good. And she's kind of getting depressed. Oh, Wonder Woman. We took the dogs down on a road trip here, and she's kind of sad now. Got the passports and my cash envelope here, and we're about ready to go. So we're gonna be doing some cool product demos. I'm gonna be doing some Cross is gonna be flying the drone for some cool new effects. We've got to fix this. This is Cross's piece of crap. Let's see. Oh, taking the chess set, of course. Make sure we don't forget that. And what else? Yeah, camera strap, all kinds of cool stuff. Should be a good one. I'm just doing some field testing on these things. We'll see if we launch them or not. Check this out. This one's exciting. Look at that, baby. Isn't that pretty? We'll see what happens. That good one right there? Daddy like it.